This is Tech Junker 115, first video, and here what I got is a Apple Performa Macintosh. What's that? 6214 CD. Was my grandma's originally. They threw it away in the garbage, a burn hole, and it was full of water, and I just cleaned it up, got all the bugs and all that out of there, and it works. Let's see. The monitor got pretty bashed up when it got thrown in there. Everything, it works though. Yeah, just found the keyboard and mouse today. Trying to dry it out here. Got a bunch of dirt in there. Don't know if it'll work. It got bent a little bit. Don't know how much these are worth. Probably not too much. But I got some other vintage computer stuff. 2 Commodore 64s. A lot of software, as you can see. Got about 2,000 floppy disks of sorts for Windows. Gonna be posting a lot more videos. But yeah, it's starting up. Seen other videos of performas, and thought I should make one, start a channel. But I'll be making a follow-up video on this after I see if I can get these to work. Gonna just clean them up real good, dry them out. Hopefully it'll work. One thing I thought was really cool is the mouse hooks up to the keyboard right there. I've never seen that before. Where is it? Somewhere around here. Oh, right there. Yep. Here's the little plug. Plugs into. It took me a long time. I was trying to plug the mouse in the back of it, and I was wondering why it didn't work. But yeah, I figured it out now. Comment on anything. If you have any tips for me or any questions. Yeah, I have a lot of Commodore stuff. I might sell some of it if anyone's interested. I have one might not work and one's supposed to work, but I don't think I have the correct cords, and I don't know how to hook them up unless they're broken. Okay, but anyways, menu screen. Got internet on there. I didn't know internet was in '94, unless this program was way after. Yeah, that's that. So, first video. Leave feedback. Tell me what you think. Give me ideas. Whatever. Peace.